Kumar. Today I am going to make a slime.
Hello, I'm Ashit Bagal. So I'm Shine Star. Who know I'm Shine Star? They see my video. So he's a friend. He's also come with my video.
Yes, but this is my channel now. Now she has come in my video.
First time.
Yes.
A lot of time I made it. A lot of videos.
Yes.
Now his time.
What is name
He's
of?
made it a little bit videos.
Yes. What is the name of your channel?
Shine Star and your.
My Priya Sinha. So like, share and subscribe. Shine Star.
Yeah. This is my brother. I love you.
Okay.
So today we are making.
Okay. So today we are making a slime. Slime. It is very fun to make. You can also make it at home.
Yeah.
Ashish's brother, he has taken my slime. It's okay. So let's start.
So today we are going to make with this one because I get this one. I don't have Pune racks, so that's why I take this to a Fevicol and it can also.
And we want any food color.
Food color or color also. Or
Yes, any.
any color, paint color, and he's also showing the glare. So let's start making.
Okay. So
So first we need to shake the bottle regularly to 5 minutes. No, 5 means 5 seconds. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5. So I shake it till 5 seconds. Then once ready, simple add 1 or 4 teaspoons of activator. So Utkarsh, can you give me the spoon?
where is it?
We'll be right back. So we get it, the medium spoon. Hold it. This is my one here because Utkarsh don't have it.
Yes.
He's using mine.
Yes, I know. And this Fevicol is mine.
Yes, of course.
And this food color is also mine.
Don't
This
put
bowl
it at
is-
my hand.
That bowl is also mine.
Put it.
Everything is mine. Only this is not mine.
Yes.
This is my
This is
house.
also
This
mine.
is mine.
I
my
know
house.
this is your channel.
This is my house.
We are just buzzing. I'll be right back. So we are back. Let's do this. So first we need to put. Yes, benefits.
It's okay.
We need to put some glue. Come out. Come out.
It is my glue. You will only listen to me.
Put a little bit of glue.
Oh, it's enough.
Oh, I can see it. See. Now mix it. It's getting slimy. It's getting slimy. It's getting slimy. This is not slime. I need a more. Can you mix it for me? Okay. What the? Cut it. Why? Not like that. Not like that.
So how?
Just mix it with your spoon. Like this. this, this, this. See, let's see. Okay, I show you this also. You can get a screenshot.
No, this is not.
This is the one. Look. This is the one. This is the same instruction. So I show you. Okay, click a screenshot. So let's move it. It's getting slimy. This is not slime already because it's too sticky. It can't be a slime. Ow! My brother is hitting me. Ow! Ouch! Run away. See, it's getting slimy. It's a slime. See? This is a slime. Where's the food color, Utkarsh?
Oh, we want more. At last, you have to put some food color.
Before making it slime. You can also make it slime, then we can. But see your hands first. Your hands will be dirty yet.
Give me. So the video is end. So you have to like, share, and
subscribe both the channels.
Yes.
And other editors. We are kind. We are happy.
Bye.